If you're trying to cancel a Venmo payment that you made on your Venmo account, in today's video, let me show you the process. Welcome back to Howgenic everyone. Now, in order to see all of your payments inside of Venmo, make sure you head over to the Me section on the bottom right and then head over to the Transaction section. Now, there are two situations to this. If the transaction has not been completed and is on the pending section, only then you will be able to cancel the Venmo payment. For example, if the transaction has been already completed, you won't be able to see any option of canceling the payment. Even if you open up this transaction, you wouldn't find any option because the payment has already been made. But if you see a section that is pending and has not been made, you'll see the option called Take Back right here. You can just tap on the Take Back or Cancel a Payment option, and the payment will be cancelled and the amount will be returned to your Venmo account. In case the payment has already been made, the other option for you is to tap on the Pay and Request option on the bottom and then request the payment to the person. That is the only way that you can request or get back the payment that you mistakenly made or change in the amount. So that was a quick tutorial on the way that you cancel a Venmo payment. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.